Hello, Kevin here with Frame My TV, the creator of Deco TV frames made for Samsung The Frame. In case you're curious about how to reset the remote for a Frame TV, here we have a 2022 Frame TV with one of our Deco frames showing the new astonishing matte display and its super anti-glare finish. But let's show you how to reset that remote. So all you're gonna do is press the return button and the select button in the middle, hold it for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds you'll see the light start to flash red a few times, and that confirms the reset. Now, if you need to know how to pair the remote, that's really easy as well. Just hold it near the sensor at the bottom right. We're gonna press the return and play button right here, and then that will go ahead and pair it with the TV. You'll see it right at the top. Any questions? Be sure to follow our YouTube channel and get all the great tips about Samsung The Frame TV and everything you need to know. Now, in case you're not familiar with our Deco TV frames, we offer a variety of about 50 different frame styles now. They magnetically assemble in our Premier collection, or they also have clips in our Alloy collection, and then the Deco Gold collection arrive fully assembled as a finished corner frame with no joints in the corners.